a set of likely topic. So each team pick 8 topics. Well, I will let you pick 3 that the team would like to do a research project towards the end of this semester. And of the 3 topics, I will let the other team to pick 1 for you. Okay, so you provide some value to the other class. So at the end, the team will propose 3 topics you're interested in doing research and presentation. The class will pick 1 among the 3 to assign to you. You'll prepare about 10 to 12 minutes presentation to talk about that topic. These are the topics I'm interested in, but you don't have to pick them. But these are kind of timely topics. For example, there's a whole trend about MOOC. What's MOOC? M-O-O-C? See, you don't need to know that. It's a massive open online courses. Okay? Stanford has the AI anyone can take. About 100,000 people took it last year. We have a few students here participate. There's Stanford, MIT, Berkeley. They all have a couple classes like that. And CFB, especially in computer science and CD, we are thinking about picking 1 or 2 topics that assign our faculty to do one of those MOOCs. Okay, so that's one topic that some of you might be interested. Question?
If we may digress a bit, can I ask your opinion of those courses?
My opinion of the courses? The reason why I want someone to do the research is that I think it is a trend. It's not a fad. I think it will be, probably some of you within the next 2 years will experience a class that use the MOOC content. So the interesting thing about MOOC is that it's not just an online video. They put in a lot of technology behind it. For example, they will have, say, 10,000 people take the same class. They will notice there is a quiz. Almost everyone failed that particular question. Then they know their content doesn't cover that topic well. Or they can see that particular topic, people take longer than others. So there's a lot of research and rich set of data can generate from MOOC instead of just another like Khan Academy, you just go there and watch the video. So I think it won't take over the college education, but there will be, if you take 120 units as your undergraduate, I can definitely see maybe 20% of that is using the MOOC model. Okay? So that's something you might be interested in. There's a big case, the San Jose court awarded $1 billion.
Yeah.
A lot of zero anyway. To award to Apple because I actually have a Samsung phone. The Apple say the square and rounded corner is a pattern. Yeah, it is. And there's a feature when you go to reach the end of the screen, and it doesn't go further, it will just bounce back, give you a visual signal, you reach the end of the page. That may be a good pattern. So this few patents being fought all over the world. In the US, it's kind of concluded the first round. Samsung lost, but Samsung, who's behind Samsung? Google. So the war really is not only between Apple and Samsung, it's between Apple and Google. Okay. So there's an interesting topic I want you, some team do the research, maybe tell us the pro and con and what will happen to us, right? So the other thing is that, is the tablet computer taking over the whole computing platform? Probably not, but the question is that can a non-computer science student or CE student, a typical, say, HCOM student, can we do a research to see if someone can go through the whole college experience using tablet only? Well, probably not, but I would love to have the team do some survey, look at that people actually use the computer and conclude it, yes or no, why? How many programming languages that has ever actually used and invented used in the industry? Anyone have a rough number? It's about 1,000. It's about 1,000 different programming languages. What are the kind of small set of programming languages people use today to do, popular language people do today? Python is very popular. There's maybe a dozen. Python, we still have people use C, C++, C#, Visual Basic, Java, JavaScript, PHP, Ruby on Rails. So the research is doing kind of what's the most popular different industry and tell us why that particular language is because just a historical reason or it has some special feature. That would be an interesting research. Adobe have a bad habit of taking your money away. Right? So every year they tweak their format a little bit. They will charge $1,000. The latest one is CS 6.0. So it's an interesting comparison between 6.0 and maybe to 5.0, 5.5. Say, should you upgrade to the list of the important feature? Compare that to a professional media designer and give us a consulting decision. Say no, you don't have to spend $1,000, or yes, you have to. So these are just examples. So later on in the semester, probably 2 weeks from now, the thing I want you to come up with the kind of 3 questions you are dying to know. Then we will make each team answer one of these questions. We'll do the presentation at the end of the semester. Okay. So I will take the next few minutes